Did I hear that right? A new recipe on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen? Yes, it's time. There are two very famous YouTubers. Their names are Lynja and Emmymade. And they both made something using Mountain Dew. They made Mountain Dew grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm gonna be doing the same thing, but a little different. I'm using a brand new Mountain Dew on the market, Mountain Dew Thrashed Apple. When it comes to cheese, nothing goes better with cheese than apple. So this should work pretty good, right? Well, I'll need about a half a can of this Mountain Dew. Very appley. Tastes like an apple Jolly Rancher. Okay, I'm taking half that can and pouring it in a pot. And I'm gonna be cooking this for about 8 minutes to allow it to reduce into a syrup. It's reduced quite a bit. Now I'm gonna add a spoonful of sour cream to that. Next, I'm gonna start adding cheese. I'm using extra sharp cheddar because Mountain Dew's so sweet. I thought I'd liven it up with a little sharp cheddar. Counteract. Okay, it's kind of orange with a greenish tint. I'd like it to be a little bit more green, so I'm adding some green food coloring. It's definitely thicker, and look at that. It kind of looks like slime. This is perfect for Halloween. Did somebody say Halloween? Oh yes, it's spooky season. There will be more spooky treats to come, I'm sure. Okay, for my grilled cheese, I'm gonna be using Texas toast. Sometimes I butter my bread, and then sometimes I mayonnaise my bread for a crispier bread. Do you do that too? Bread. Then some of that slime on top. Top it off. You can even pour it on top of toasted or grilled bread. I'm ready to cut into this grilled cheese and take a look inside. Oh my goodness. Look at that green cheese! Let's taste it. I mainly just noticed the cheddar cheese with just a hint of sweetness to it. Maybe a little hint of apple. But it's a great grilled cheese sandwich. Do you like weird recipes like this? Well, then you better subscribe to my channel. I got hit right in the head with a can of Mountain Dew. It's okay, I survived. It's just a soft drink.